Hello, I'm David Chill from Ribbon Writer. Today we are demonstrating our latest product, which is the BowVy cutter. This can be found on our website www.ribbonwriter.com, and if you go into the shop and then into the subheading accessories, you will find it there. The BowVy cutter comes with a handle and two cutting tools, one at 1.5 inches wide and one at 3 inches wide. Let me take out the first cutter, and this gets screwed onto the end of the tool. Very simple to do. And it's placed on. I'm just going to angle the head so the head is straight. In the handle there are 4 AA batteries. We suggest an alkaline battery because it uses a fair bit of power, something like a Duracell battery. Then it will cut anything from a single-sided satin to a double-sided satin to a polyester. So here we have our black polyester ribbon on a roll. This is just an old weight that I found lying around. I find it very useful to use this because what you want to do is hold your ribbon taut, then quite simply press the little red button which allows you to heat up the wire and then to make a cut. This is a way of getting good, professional and quick V-cuts into your ribbons, and this will heat seal the end for you. So at the moment we have our 1.5 inch tool on the machine. I'm going to just very quickly unscrew this, and it comes off quite neatly. Place it back in the box, and now I'm going to change it for the 3 inch wide V-cutter tool, and very simply screw this on to the handle. We're now ready to cut a 45mm ribbon. Hold it taut, press down, and there is your professional V-cut ribbon. It is ideal for people making award ribbons or rosette makers, or any crafting where you're using ribbons such as cake makers and you want to create a professional V-shaped end. So thank you for watching our latest demonstration of the BowVy cutter, which is available on our website www.ribbonwriter.com, and if you go to the shop and look under the accessories heading. Thank you.